Welcome. Take a moment for yourself. This is your time to simply be. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a way that feels natural. Let your body rest. Let your hands fall softly. Let your shoulders drop. Now bring your attention to your feet. Notice any sensation there. Warmth, coolness, tingling, or maybe nothing at all, and that's already enough. Move your attention slowly up to your legs. Feel the weight of your calves, the stillness in your thighs. Notice how they simply rest. Now, your stomach. Rising and falling with each breath. No need to change it. Just watch. You are already aware. Bring your focus to your chest. Feel your heartbeat. Quiet, steady. This is life moving inside you. Now your arms and hands. Notice the heaviness or lightness, your fingers resting. That's enough. Move to your face, your jaw, your eyes. Allow them to soften. Feel the space in your forehead. Now return to your breath. In and out. Natural, easy. You don't need to control it. You only need to notice it. And remember, awareness is already meditation. Simply seeing, simply feeling. Simply being. That is enough. Stay with this moment. just here, just now.